Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Moko Plays. Welcome to the Moko Plays Guitar Fun course. This is where we learn how to play everything and try to learn everything about guitar. From acoustic to electric. We're going to learn about solid state amps. We're going to learn about tube amps. We're going to learn about a mixture of the both. We're going to learn about pedals. We're going to learn how to properly restring these guitar strings. We're going to learn it the good way, obviously, because there's many ways that you can put on guitar strings, but I'm going to show you one of the best ways possible to actually obtain clarity and comfortability with the strings, because you can't just put on strings, because they're vulnerable to pop if you don't know how to properly stretch them out and put the strings on. You're gonna learn what these are right here. So don't mind the guitar, it's kind of messy right now. It's the first video, but yeah, this guitar right here is a Takamine. It's a Takamine acoustic guitar, model number EG560C. This is a really old guitar. I've had it for about 10 years now, and this is the baby that you guys are basically going to be seeing when you're learning on this channel. If you guys are interested, I am preparing a guitar course. 75% of the guitar course is done. I don't want to say the price yet because I'm trying to figure out what's a good price for people around the world. So I don't know about that yet. But what I do know is that you guys are going to be getting free stuff, free lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play chords. I'm going to teach you how to solo. I'm going to teach you how to play chords and solo, all on this channel. And it's going to be awesome. So if you are interested in guitar and piano or making beats, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And if you know anybody that wants to learn how to play guitar too, tell them to come over to Moko Plays, because that is the dude. Alright, peace.